Hello, in this video I will be taking you on a house tour of a colonial home in Mompox, Colombia. I'm Maria Savarino, the founder of Milagro Interiors, and I'm a home staging and interior decorating company in Mississauga. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this one. Just to give you a little history of this town, Santa Cruz de Mompox is a town frozen in time. It was once located on an island surrounded by an arm of the Magdalena River. While the remainder of the motherland has evolved and modernized, Mompox is a beautifully preserved example of the 16th century Spanish colonialism in the Americas. UNESCO declared it a World Heritage Site in 1995 because of its beauty and historical value. The city's wealth is exhibited in the cobbled squares among whitewashed streets, abundant storehouses, aging churches, and schools. The town has tall arched houses with wrought ironwork decorating the doors, railings, and window grills along the streets. Mompox was founded on May 3, 1537 by Alonso de Herrera. There are so many great opportunities here for a real estate investment. This town's architecture is comparable to old Cartagena without the hefty price point. During our visit, we saw many properties for sale and saw a massive opportunity as an investment. Tourism is growing exponentially in the city. There's prospect of hotels, Airbnb, and restaurants. So let's have a look at this colonial home. A wrought iron door welcomes us as we enter the house. An exquisite courtyard is in the center of the home, typical of the Spanish style. The house has 4 bedrooms with a bathroom in every room. There's the courtyard and the kitchen. Look at the beautiful carvings in the woodwork, the columns, the doors, and the beautiful ceiling. There are 2 separate entrances to this home. This one and the other one is in the kitchen, which you will soon see. We are now entering the main room. This home has tall ceilings to help combat the heat. It gets sweltering here in Mompox. Oh, this door. Love the arch above the doorway. Nice, beautiful door. See the tiny windows up above to bring some airflow into the home? Each bedroom is connected to the other as well as connected to the outdoor patio area. There is ample space and high ceilings throughout. The terracotta tiles, they just transport you back into time. A bit different than the home I showed you last week. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it right here up above. What do you think of this home tour so far? What is your favorite feature? For me, it's the height. I love the height. Comment below, I'd love to know your opinion. So here's one of the bathrooms. As you can see up above, it has the same height as the main bedroom area, but there's an opening up above. Now we're back into the courtyard. In the far back of the home is the kitchen area. Oop, someone just walked into my video recording. Here's one of the smaller bedrooms. This home has so much potential. It has been renovated, but has room for improvement. This house is perfect for a boutique hotel because it has so many rooms with en-suites. Have a look at this home for more inspiration. It's a hotel/cafe that we visited and it's very enchanting. Has beautiful terracotta ceramic floors, a nice height of the high ceilings, some nice ironwork doors. This hotel is decorated with some old colonial style furniture. It's a bit eclectic. It has a bunch of different types of seating arrangements. Look at this for inspiration. They built a swimming pool in the courtyard. It has beautiful archways, tall height in the ceiling. They have some fans. Love the plants and ferns and making it look so much like an oasis. And now back to the original tour. We are now in the kitchen area. There's the other entrance I was telling you about. It has also another opening to the outdoors up above. It's really elongated, lots of space. This space can be transformed into a nice restaurant, opened up to the public as well as to the hotel. Look at the height of the ceiling. This home costs approximately 450,000 Canadian dollars. So if you're interested in buying it, it's for sale. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and comment below. I love to hear from you and know what you think. I really enjoyed creating these videos for you. I have some more tours coming. I'm having a great time here in Colombia. I have some more homes coming your way, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you're notified when a new video like this one comes out. Again, thanks for your support. My name's Maria. Ciao for now. I leave you now with some beautiful views.